Take a 250 milliliter water sample in the cup provided. Fill the large syringe with water from the test cup, and then attach the filter to the syringe. Empty the syringe through the filter. Detach the filter and repeat the process by drawing another full syringe from the test cup. Continue until all 250 milliliters of the water sample has been passed through the filter. Detach the filter from the syringe. Remove the small white cap from one end of the filter and attach it to the opposite end. Remove the red end cap from the small syringe. Attach the open end of the filter to the small syringe. While attached to the filter, pull the syringe back to the 0.5 millimeter mark. Then re-inject the content of the syringe back into the filter. Repeat this process 3 times until the sample content is back in the filter. Pull the syringe back carefully to the 0.1 millimeter mark. Carefully detach the filter from the small syringe. Remove the test strip from the foil pack. Drop the contents of the small syringe onto the sample point on the test strip. Leave the strip undisturbed for 25 minutes on a flat surface. The test strip will show either 1 or 2 red lines in the test window. A single line indicates a negative result. 2 lines indicate a positive result.